Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a truly exciting discovery, a super-Earth in the habitable zone of a sun-like star. Pretty amazing, right?
Absolutely. A super-Earth in the habitable zone. That's huge. So, what's the story here? What makes this discovery so significant?
Well, the Instituto de Astrofísica de Canarias, IAC, and the Universidad de La Laguna, ULL, confirmed the find. It's orbiting HD 20794, a sun-like star just 20 light-years away. That's practically our cosmic neighbor.
20 light-years? That's incredibly close in astronomical terms. And what's a super-Earth, exactly? Is it like a really big Earth?
Exactly. It's a planet with a mass significantly larger than Earth's. In this case, about 6 times the mass. It's not necessarily bigger in terms of radius, but it's definitely more massive. Think of it as a denser, heavier version of our planet.
I see. And the habitable zone part, that's the key, right? That means it could potentially have liquid water?
Precisely. Its orbit places it within the star's habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist on the surface. Liquid water is, of course, crucial for life as we know it. This makes it a prime candidate for future atmospheric studies.
So how did they even find this thing? It's not like they just looked through a telescope and saw it, right?
Right. They used radial velocity measurements over 2 decades, using incredibly precise spectrographs like espresso and HARPS at ESO observatories in Chile. These instruments detect tiny wobbles in the star's movement caused by the planet's gravity. It's incredibly delicate work.
Wow, that's some serious precision. 2 decades of data. So they just confirmed it recently?
Yes, they confirmed it, after years of meticulous data analysis, eliminating potential sources of error. They even launched a new observation campaign to double-check their findings. It's a testament to their rigorous scientific approach.
That's impressive. But, even if it's in the habitable zone, does that automatically mean there's life there?
Not at all. It's way too early to say anything about life. The planet's high mass and elliptical orbit are quite different from Earth's. Its distance from the star varies significantly throughout its year. It's not a second Earth, not at all.
So what's the next step? What are they going to do now that they've confirmed its existence?
This is where it gets really exciting. Its proximity and characteristics make it a perfect target for future observations with the Extremely Large Telescope, ELT, and future space missions from ESA and NASA. They'll be able to study its atmosphere in unprecedented detail.
Amazing! This is a huge step forward in our search for potentially habitable planets. It's a fantastic discovery. Thanks for breaking it down for us.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening. And we'll catch you next time with more exciting updates from the world of science and technology. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.